Hello everyone, this is Alina from Alinacutle. Today I will use this die set to make a mini album. First, I have cut all the parts. On this paper, I cut two pocket openings on it. Very cute with sweetheart and star ends. This is tag with dot lines. I cut several colors. And this two strip also tags the date on it. And these are adorable decoration parts. First of all, let's set up these small parts, little bells, with tiny bow, very cute. And combine the big bows. We can use them to decorate the tags as a tag handle. With bow. Okay, 4 tags are ready, very cute. Now let's make album cover. First, for the lines. And here we stick them together, glue on it, and set them together. Okay, here the cover is ready, but I used the light design paper, so it is not strong enough. So I use a thick cardstock. The size is according the frame size. Just fit it in and wrap it. Let's glue. If we use thin art paper, then no need this strands layer is okay. Fold the according lines. Okay, the cover is ready. It's very nice, just like a mini book. Then we can deck and fill mini album and make it more pretty. Here we use our paper with pocket opening. Please attention, we only glue on the 4 sides. The pocket fits the tag, so we try it. It's perfect, very nice. Try this one. Here's long cardstock with Z folded. The size is a tiny bigger than this in the page frame. The So then we can decorate the seafood with design papers. Do the same for each page. Okay, the seafood complete. Seems very nice and fun. These small parts are for corner. Fold them all and stick on the page to fit the place with the tag. Perfect and very lovely. And also we can use this pocket. The size is also for tag. We do more details decorations for seafood. Okay, that fit into the cover. It's nice and we glue it on. Now this seafood mini album almost done. Let's try with tags. Okay, last step. I will deck the cover with Christmas small stuffs. They are Christmas design paper on a cardstock to make the cover much stronger. And try this cute Christmas parts. Snowman, Christmas flower, leaves, star, and candy, and first piece. Alright, all's ready. It will be a very sweet gift for Christmas. The size is 7 cm by 8.5 cm. The thick is a little less than 3 cm. It's a very nice size for a pocket album. Let's play and enjoy it again. tag. Also, we can insert a photo. There is same. Very lovely and very fun. Okay, it's today's video. I hope you love my tutorial. Thanks for joining. Bye bye.